Hey there, and thanks for dropping by. Hot season is over, and together with it, tomatoes stop ripening. You're left with a bunch of green tomatoes. Those, my friends, make the most delicious and crunchy pickles. For us, it's a family tradition to make pickled green tomatoes each year. Let's dive into this old recipe that I totally trust, as it has never failed us. If it's your first time making homemade pickles, I bet it's not going to be the last one. I'll demonstrate on a medium jar, so feel free to adjust the amounts if you're making more. It's really simple. Let's go! I'm listing all the ingredients on the left part of the screen. You want all your veggies to be fresh when you pickle them, so try to make them in the same day. The green tomatoes should prevail. The carrot, the celery root, and the horseradish are going hand in hand with the unripened tomatoes, so just use a few of those. I like to peel and slice them. The horseradish is helping with preserving the pickle crunch, so I'd say it's important. If you like your pickles spicy, you can totally throw some chilies in there. They help with keeping the pickles firm as well. Also, a clove of garlic would do just fine in this mix. Fill the container with all the listed ingredients in no particular order. Push them in from time to time to bring them closer together and create more space. About the spices, here are the ones we always use: mustard seeds, peppercorn, fresh celery stems and leaves, dry dill flowers and stems, or if you don't have that, you can get some dill seeds from the plant shop, or you can even get away with fresh dill. Sometimes we also add a sour cherry twig. This is also known to prevent the pickles from softening. It's crucial that the veggies do not rise above the brine level. That's when pickling can go bad and you start to see weird mold forming. So make a sort of escape fencing with dry dill stems, celery stems, wooden skewers, or some plastic sticks. I know you can get creative with this, so just improvise something. The essential thing actually is to get the brine right, and that's where you want to follow exact amounts. I'm giving you the numbers for 1 liter of brine. That's about 1 quart. As the measurement units in different parts of the world can be confusing, I described the exact quantities for the UK, US, and EU in the description. You need 40 grams of coarse salt without iodine and 30 milliliters vinegar for each liter of water. Stir till the salt is dissolved. You want to completely cover everything. It does not need boiling. We've never done it and never had any problem. Now, give it a hug and shake it a bit to get some of the air bubbles out. Put a lid on it, store it in the coolest, darkest place you have around, and do your best in not opening the jar for 1 month. Pickles thrive in cellars, but if you don't have one in your house, keep an eye on them, they might be ready even faster. If at some point you see the brine dropping, add a bit more to complete it. It's no problem if you open the jar to take a sneak peek. Hope you'll give it a try, guys. The most difficult part of this canning process is actually the waiting part. I have more videos for making your own pickles, so if you enjoyed this one, hit that subscribe button and turn that bell notification to red. If I touched your pickling vibes somehow, let me know by liking this video. If you feel it's a keeper and want to make it later, save it in your recipes playlist. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop me a line in the comments if you have some. I'll be around. Cheers!